Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how I convert a simple 3D Max viewport or killer render into a stunning photorealistic AI render. Many artists directly use viewport screenshots and wonder why the AI result look inconsistent or unrealistic. But there is a better workflow. In this video, I will explain the difference between viewport screenshots and killer render, why killer render produce better AI results, and how you can create professional interior visualization in just a few minutes. Let's get started. In this video, I am using BizMaker AI agent. It's give you access to multiple AI rendering engine from a single platform. Simply purchase credit, choose your preferred AI engine and generate your result. It's fast, easy to use, well organized and help streamline the entire rendering workflow. For this first test, I will use a simple prompt, create a photorealistic image. I will apply the same prompt to both viewport screenshot and the killer renders. Later in this video, we will use custom prompt to gain full control over material, colors, texture and lighting. How the AI follow the cove lighting, headboard lighting and ceiling lighting much more accurately in the killer render version. The lighting direction, shadows, overall atmosphere are most closer to the original scene. In the viewport screenshot, they cannot fully understand the lighting setup, so the final result is less accurate. However, the viewport does contain some material information, so the AI tend to preserve those materials. Since the calendar has no materials, the AI is free to generate new materials while maintaining much better lighting realism. I have previously tested Nano Banana 2 and several other AI render engine. However, for this project I use GPT 1.5 AI engine and this result were exceptional. The ceiling surface look smoother, hard shadows were reduced, texture appear more realistic and the overall atmosphere felt much more natural. The lighting interpretation was especially impressive. In this test, GPT 1.5 delivered a more refined and photorealistic result compared to Nano Banana. A viewport screenshot forces the AI to guess many parts of the scene. It cannot fully understand the lighting, shadows, reflection, or depth, so it often regenerates object and sense design element. A clear renderer, however, provides clear information about lighting direction, shadows, reflection, and spatial depth. Because the AI has more accurate data to work with, the final result is usually more realistic, consistent, and faithful to the original design. One of the biggest benefit is that you can identify design problems very quickly. You can instantly see what needs to be improved, adjusted, or redesigned before creating final renders. This helps interior designers make faster decisions, reduce mistakes, improve client presentation, and significantly speed up the overall design process. Now we are going to use custom prompts and take full control of the result. We can define the material, colors, textures, lighting, and overall design style exactly the way we want. Instead of letting the AI guess, we are guiding it with our own creative vision. This is where AI become a powerful design tool rather than just an image generator. Once we added people using AI, the kitchen instantly felt more realistic and alive. What used to take hours in Photoshop with color matching, lighting adjustment, and shadow correction can now be done automatically in minutes. This is one of the biggest advantages of AI for architectural visualization and interior design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other 3D artists and interior designers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.